Voila. My choice on small talk. Say, I will talk of pigeon, say me all my understanding. Wow, what's kind of life this is? What's kind of life this? That must say all man go head with every Chinese people. They go head with. Every Chinese people go head with. Now what did it happen for this one? Now what did it happen? That must say man go inside suffer. Man go suffer, so the man can die or suffer. No kind of style this is. Now what did it happen? That's what we give ask ourselves. All we the black African, that's what we give ask ourselves. Now what did it happen? We define it now so. When I don't see a Chinese people, they all about them, or Nigeria about them, or China. They sleep for street. We don't see one Arab man on the inside. No. So one Arab man on the inside. Also Moroccan also all with the talks, all man is send their own voice, man. Any man talk, any man make your own video, any man talk. You don't hear so one Arab man on the inside. But we call ourselves African. Egypt, Algeria, Tunisia, Morocco, Libya, and all the Arab countries for Africa. Within us one continent, Africa. But that country we call us so, they unite. Igbo France here, Morocco man and Nigeria man, they come on fine. Since for back for Africa, they very young, they come on fine. If any problem happen, anything happen with Nigeria man, we Morocco man see him. Oh God! Now why there is young police for Europe? You fear Arab people. You touch one Arab man, you don't touch the whole Arab people. You touch Nigerian man, you don't touch the whole Arab people. You touch Tunisia man, you don't touch the whole Arab people. Morocco man, you don't touch the whole Arab people. Egypt man, you don't touch the whole Arab people. Libya man, you don't touch the whole Arab people. But why we will never be one? Why we black will never be one? Why will never be one? Why will never be one? Sunday I go one pass. One pass I go Paris. Police don't hold one black man. You will see him. There was one guy in a black. The other black they pass. No one call the country. They'll pass. Say yes, you guys a key. So I say Nigeria. One pass. You don't sit with the kiwi. That man, oh, that man, a Nigerian man. I say, like, I find trouble. Pass go we. They for the boy. Because no the way to know the one. The white people know to know the one. We say come one, we'll get power. We to come together. All the black country, African black. I'm gonna go Arab. Can you go Arab for them? Arab they do their own. When they do their own. We'll get into trouble. You ready to happen for China? So Arab people don't talk. No Arab man never talk. But Chinese people don't even do that to Arab man. They don't even try. It will mean that one Arab man to sleep outside. Oh God. And all Chinese within Morocco don't come out. All Chinese within Morocco. Arab boys, all the Arab people in Morocco don't move that night. Every Chinese man they hide in the bush, they'll go move the Chinese man inside bush doing for town. The way they'll British stay there. They'll kill all them. I mean they will gather all the Chinese people, the whole Morocco, put it for them. And they Tunisia do own, Libya do own, all countries of Africa. We now all the Arab countries they will move the Chinese people also. When they will dig them, and that's how they go ahead and move them. Put them in the airport. And you're not gonna kill them. They will. We don't live for talk. Make donors. She don't quiet. We don't come for Europe again. For this side of Europe, we don't succeed. Don't come. For Europe, we'll be one. We head ourselves. They want to Cameroon, they want to Nigeria, they want to Ghana, they want to Senegal, they want to Mali. You see on black border, if they see you, because you don't be Euro for you. You don't be 10 years of Euro. If you can't greet, say one final road, you find play for go. I mean, they find a play where if you go. I mean, you don't lose road. You find you play one, the motor you take them. You want the train with the next thing will take them. One ask him. If I sit a play, excuse me, you do so. from your toe to your head. You couldn't be Europe. Born and 10 years. You know, I'm Bengis. They forget to be black. Oh, by the one way they come by every time people in the way this small. You see you black. You don't get that. And it's not a kill. Why man don't fight all way? Why man don't do all way for same will ever be united? Will not be one. Going to be one. It was strong. We don't guard so then we should don't. For the young man, we should not guard him. To retirement policeman, retirement policeman, don't be police for France. For 17 years, don't go retirement. You can't tell you. Very simple story. He married a black woman. Married a Nigerian woman. Cadest. Because motor pay, salary, John Wilson story. The man has something 65 years. So they tell you, say black are the best. Say we should be a black person. Black person, they respect your mom, they respect your dad. They respect that mommy and they respect that papa them. Before you, but picking up 18 years, and they respect your family. And they respect your mommy, they respect. But they say, picking, they respect you, and the way woman train the picking and mate, they respect your power. If they want to come out, they ask, they come out. Before you 18 years, and even respect your power again. 17 years, because they pay respect. For 16 years, they pay respect. You want to talk with plenty. You call police for your power, you call police for your power, and the government now go find a house. They will find a house will be in house now. 16 years, right? Before Africa even try that mistake. It will kill Africa now because they will know the one. And why man they fight always, every day they should have a conference. They will meeting against black. Then they will meet against China. Then they will meet against India. Then they will meet against black, natural black Africans. Black African, they will meet against them. They know where they go school. The more they go school, they learn. I bring it open. As they plan, that's what we plan. We check how it will happen, which will happen in the future, in 50 years to come. Which will happen. We check and do. As they check, that's what they check. The more we get more, the more we born picking them, the more we picking until they go. They get knowledge. They go school, they learn. In about a time, we don't go school. Don't tell us go school. They enter 20 years. We go school. That's when they get me. So they should. As they should done the young youth, they should done the plan. The whole conference. We should get the whole meeting. The top. What should we do in next 50 years? They put the ones why so. What should we do now? So for now, so they should enter the plan. The ones will always be done and always be done. Now so they want them. We don't ever go. Because they don't say and say, Morocco don't wise. Algeria don't wise. Libya don't wise. All the Arab countries don't wise. They never try for Arab country. Why they need ask myself why they never try for Arab country? Why they need try nonsense for Africa, for Arab country? They bring only for black Africa. One they think our great grandparents was slave. We not see no nothing. Me, I believe for God. Yes. But it's one thing to do it. All time you forgive. But don't time you know forgive again. They ask forgiveness. When I forgive our grandparents, when I forgive our ancestors, the way they be doing our parents, when I answer them bad, when I forgive them, they don't know. But when answer don't be when they don't be in a country, don't be America, be England, big France, big country them, be all Italy, then they answer to the bill. Because they bring the slave over, they share them. The people in a country when I turn again, no one see suffer that picking them again. Why man not get so? Why man wicked? Why man tell on a trail? Myself. But we not get for like white man. But we laugh white man. We laugh chicken thing white man. White man bad. If you laugh for you, he laugh na two faces. He laugh for you, so we turn, you frown, die face. White man bad. White man bad, I tell you. I will tell you a story. It don't happen. It don't happen with me. Then make the first camion. But Germany. White man bad. Now look up. Nigeria and Cameroon are brothers. Ghana, Mali, Senegal are brothers. Chad, Côte d'Ivoire, Guinea, all we are one. Who come together. Be one spirit, one power. And the Chinese people don't want for that country. We don't want to do for Africa. We don't want them for Africa. They come Africa, can they buy land? Can they buy so 1 year, 50 years? Why dog government they sell land for them? Especially my country, Cameroon. If you imagine, now my dog president, you ain't no coincide. If you put in a damn way, put now. You sell land for Chinese people. He did the whole Switzerland. Oh, he did the whole Belgium. You sell land for them for 150 years. All the French countries, they don't buy land for all the French countries. I don't know why they don't buy for Nigeria. I don't know why they don't buy for Ghana. But I know what tell on a lie. I did beg in the name of God. Who come to one. Who come to one, we not joke say this man and Ghana, this man and Nigeria, this man and Mali, this man. Who come to one, will be one. Who be one, all will be better for we. We are picking no suffer. We are ganga picking the camel suffer. I did beg in the name of God. So we Nigeria they hook up with one change president, the change president, new West, and they make 2 weeks, they change the president. Then he begging and begging. All the old food them. I don't say food because they don't get sense. They don't get sense. All they get at first school. See my president. Why can the man they can die? When they go in a Buhari na Popia, what come on president? He Buhari to Nigeria president. He do the man in the sea place. He do place of work as well. In the sea place. What come on president? If you check your hand, great. If you check your hand, like woman can support your hand check out for Saudi people. They come France, they pass Macron, we no pay go. You see Macron, everything and Macron have corner. And I see that they do that normal sense. Not all are stars that don't fear me. All are people in Africa that don't fear. The one they will not say that they will come. Against Samuel to Cameroon. Again, Boma Patrick. Again, Jeremy Jita. Again, Bibi Grand, the way they hook up. When they did from 40 to 50 years. Now, we don't want our power. For Nigeria, we get teacher coach out. We get Kanu. We go for the musician. We get people. We get musician for Nigeria. For Cameroon, we get musician. We get for me. Peter, the young people they rule the power. The young people they take the government. They move all the power. Because why man they control a power? Because power don't get sense. Why man they control a power? White man they control a power. Now see that power don't get sense. If you get sense, you know, big hospital of your country. If you get sense, you know, big hospital of your country. Anytime you sick, you go Europe. You are picking sick, you go Europe. That will take money for take money for your country. Can keep up for bank for Europe. Can keep up for Switzerland or Belgium or France. She done us. When you die, why man sees them? They will say, "I probably get that money." You're picking, she don't quite in every time. Billion upon billion. They will not tell me say that people they get sense. I don't come to Europe. Now Europe, now Europe, so I don't come this Europe. Now Africa, they feed Europe. I they tell that the truth. We get oil, we get gas, we get petrol. God don't bless you. If God will bless now, why man? Oh God, we'll be slave for life. I tell that the truth, man, you know today. Now so that we go get up Africa. If we be not for Europe, we'll be say God will turn it upside down. Even at 10,000 years, we will ever be free. We'll be slave for life. Slave. I mean, say slave for life. Why am I not trying to say, you don't try to make we be slave for life? You say, all the things they will get down. The people who want to get turn slave, that they get all that thing. We get motor to the drive. The bauxite we take a made iron. Come on, Africa. Petrol, Africa. Gas, Africa. Anything we see why man use them for the Europe. Come on, Africa. We so block our border so they get nothing. Why man go first stock in the place of 1 month go first stock. Why man go first stock? They don't get nothing. All thing from Africa. Small picking for 3 years, you touch around 400 euro, 350 euro for 1 month. Actually, pick 8 years, touch 500 euro. 15 years, 1.5. 18 years, just touch 2,000 euro. They give free house. You go school, the university, they give house. Still on your own. Every month you go take 2,000 euro. 2,000 euro, how much come on? How much Africa? And 1 million something. That money come outside, come off Africa. We get the money, we get the resources, but we don't get nothing. Ça pour les sauver for Nigeria. Ça pour les sauver for Cameroon. Ça pour les sauver for Niger, ça pour les sauver for Africa. Ça pour les sauver for the picking and enjoy for Europe. The picking work 18 years, now 18 years without work. I mean from 1 year to from 3 to 17 years, free money each month. See phone will be going behind. Get my phone. See phone will be picking one behind. Small picking for 4 years, 8 years. You want a phone for Africa, for you, for Naira. A phone for about 1 million, 1 million 2. You hold on behind. Let us. Upon 10, upon 11, never did hold on for the hand. You know why you come out, you don't go change and think new one. Every morning you get money. The money come on outside Africa. We pay through our gas, we gold, all team Africa. Anything come up in Nigeria, England gets 70% or 75%, when I get 25%. Anything come up Cameroon, France gets 75%, or get 25%. If you imagine money for Cameroon, budget for Cameroon for 1 year. Budget for Cameroon for 1 year, 5 billion euro. Budget for Cameroon for 1 year, 5 billion euro. Only France take 3.5 billion euro. You get paid, you get everything. I mean budget for Cameroon for euro in safer euro. And the remaining 1.5 billion euro. Why we don't live for we? So can on that. President no fit on, the minister no fit on, general no fit on, they won't move on. The normal people, the normal. I mean, I say the last class people for Cameroon. You don't get 100. At the top, you cannot see people suffer. Tu vois comment I go do all of go I see people suffer. So mommy just don't carry three pair. The beginning for corner, they will corner. So I don't carry a banana, they will run a banana. So she don't. So don't knock this. So take banana or banana. Banana will yellow, it turn black. The picking on leave his skin under hot sun. Mommy so she don't want to forget about for 1 point. Banana or on sometimes because from morning to from that morning to 4 o'clock or from that morning to 6. You don't say maybe now maybe you must say for France don't say anti-round. And the banana you made a 4 bunch. It was also must say four hand. Not 3. You want finish for them on that hot sun from morning till as you come, so second I'm a miss you. I pretend as I can buy a banana, you dash you 1,000. Say mom take you 1,000. Give me banana 50, give me. As a mom keep the change. The mom go glass to why we need them for. I don't because my mommy don't suffer. Carry job for yourself. Oh mommy don't suffer. I don't go inside suffer. I don't see them. Africa will go back back. Be very happy with switching my boy for Nigeria, they do for China. But that one's small. Voilà, when Nigeria go do out China, they will block the road. If you police for calm, then for shit. They will come for that way. We don't block the road. You meant for the road. And I've been very happy to see my Nigeria boy they do for Nigeria. They will take all the Chinese. I mean, they will take all them. They will move all them. You know, come they hide enough for they will move them. Make the rub inside mud. Rub the inside mud fine. With their own government to see them. We know she don't because all time. I believe for God, they pray all time. But all time say forgive. You forgive. How long will forgive? And they respect them, my pastor, they were pastor, they were Nigeria, we respect them. But we'll forgive for how long? How long will continue to forgive? Forgive them. Go judge them. Who can tell we can't judge them? Who tell we go judge them? We leave all we got here. All them we leave what we got here. That's how I go. That's how they teach me. That's all our generation. So our part they grow. Forgive them. You just carry church. You can't fool you for Africa. Then pray. Then they go church. Any son they go carry church. When I arrangement with the government. For say money vex. All you will say we shouldn't cry. We shouldn't cry for how long? Now calm down. God go see when I true. God will forgive them. Forgive them. You don't know what they do. Forgive them for how long? When they see billion by billion, how many houses were my president come? My one president. He get how many years for France? About 3 years. He get how much for Switzerland Bank? In a billion or billion of euro for Switzerland Bank. That man is the richest president of Africa. Any hide will tell any man, my president. You don't see fine. Tomorrow they can make 40 years of power. You can make 40 years of power. You can make 40 years of power. And I didn't want to tell me waiting. I said, Buhari, they come 4 years. After I go, we come again 4 years or so. Yeah, they don't see two, they don't see fine, no. They are picking a go school in England, they are picking a go school in America. And the poor people are picking them in Africa. Every class, every desk for should have class, no day. Man don't suffer. African boy they suffer. For make a many white man they respect we mean the Chinese the foolish one them. They respect we. So they give our own respect. That time we don't come to we don't be one. We don't get one. We don't come together, we'll be one. We get the power. No man will shake me again. No man will shake me. No man will shake me. No man. We continue to don't quiet all time, forgive them. I see people father them, my pastor, I forgive you. But cannot have to talk again. All time forgive them. Forgive the white man. White man they calm. They can't fool every day. We imagine we African, we adore president them with the whole conference meeting, white man inside. When a president should not want a whole meeting when I talk about how I will do for Africa tomorrow. White man they for the 4 or 5, the whole pen, the whole phone, the right when I talk on a plan. Dullness. I don't get sense. If now all that presidents will be now young them from 40 to 50 years. If you say you don't see the whole conference for the whole conference meeting of all presidents for Schengen. See one black man inside. No one black man. That shown on the video them. No one black man there. Only them. The whole that meeting they make sure they will take them full Africa when 50 years to come. Because they plan against 50 years. They need to plan now. President for Europe, they need a plan now. They need to plan today. They plan for 50 years. What you got for 50 years? We not really put 50 years to cut with them. Sometimes no we don't be slave for people them, eh? Because they want to see people they come. What they know? Now why did they plan? They want to take the vaccine. They want to take Africa. Because the generation within now they want to feed with them. Now so they do. Tell this no. They for quarter. When mom they don't go farm. Next also come over hospital. They come quarter. Oh oui. The sugar injection. They put blue pin what they call themselves beginning. That's the woman they put about their names. Yes, they put her for an nurse. Your mom cry go show your mom say don't give me medicine, don't give me tablet, don't choke injection. The video then dey. No visit why man ever like we. We go state of Africa where they need born to this one at them. They don't talk. I think we did. They don't confess. They confess. They want they confess. They don't lock. They don't go prison. No, they don't confess. They leave them. We don't ever get SIDA. We don't ever get Ebola. We don't all that sick now they can't give for Africa. Very true. Now they want to get it to now. They also come now talk about the vaccination. We go talk about Africa. Now God also make our sin. Now God also open eyes on us here. If they want to do them, they know there we. They bring in many ways. If bring inside Fiperi, inside gym, inside my besoin because we no get no machine make one. Est-ce Africa même besoin? No. Remember first time that we were me dey tell we. That time them. We are gonna me that time we time na rapa. The time na rapa so. Time for the breast. Time we back. I dey be time. It be fine. When my man bring pour as well. Don't say they will also reach to the choix. People can't inside, can't see the put inside. Woman get cancer. Cancer break woman on both side. Not them. Cancer of breast come on both side. Not that thing when I do ban. When I know we came machine they make one on breast well. Africa, whole Africa, Nigeria, Cameroon, all African country, black American, they don't get machine to make breast well. All the people the well they bring it, they put the inside the well you know the entire small the way the gene the entire skin small where you paralyze you don't know. You go there, we see get the video. Have you show up here? They can't take injection, picking them. Can't go assist them. That will be young. That will be small. That they are 10 years, 15 years. Can't they took them. Tomorrow they're not born. When not them because the sensitive Africa they were born. Let's say my confidence will come up motor. Today Africa will progress now. Time will stop with one place beginning. It goes for waiting because they fear. They fear say my sister they born picking that. For you the highest picking the born are 1, 2 highest now 2 picking the born. For Africa one mom is time born 7, 8. They fear. They know say time to come. They should know that they plan now. What do they plan? They know say 50 years to come. Africa will get the highest population. They know. We pass China because China now they born at 2, but we now they born at 8. That 8 will born how many? That way they born at 8, they will born that way they can born how many? In 50 years to come now, so they check. Why am I they check? 50 years, they check the future, they check now. Why am I get sense? No, why they use that statement? They use kind of wonderful statement. Most stuff for the born, yeah. Now they bring all this lesbian, gay for Africa for saying man became woman, be woman. I live with European. Don't put a black star inside. Don't put a black boy inside. Don't nice. That's mean they reduce the generation of the over bomb picking. They reduce them. They bring up America black girl and follow them. Where they do woman, they do lesbian. They follow inside lesbian. They start do. Gay they do na man picking. They white them. Black boys of America they follow them. It don't pass we. We don't know what you talk again. We for God don't blame us. We for you now. We give one information about them. When I use the information back, we come to one. We be one. Cote d'Ivoire, Mali, Senegal, Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, Niger. All we na one. Burkina Faso, Congo, Mali. Massa, I beg with the name of God. All we na one. We still come together so no man will shake we. Chinese people now know. So they did together now. Why the man shake them? We be together. No man will shake we. Why man will fear? First still go for do and why now waiting for move all that door president. We if one man will move all that part and put the young one the way they will move the country. From 40 to 50 years. If from 35 to 50 years, no get problem. You make 4 after 4, you make 4, you get 8 correct for you, man. Take up. All now young. You don't pass 50 years, you need interpower. If you apply yourself to 55, because I say 55 makes sense. Yes. Good. We talk about in the case of, for me say you be say day 45 years, you who 50 something years, you don't come out. We are bonus as slow, you don't come out. You are 55 years, you don't come out. So wonder. But actually, all our boss of Africa will say, the one who don't play football, the musician, then the one who was saying that they fear who the country, that they fear government. Because they fear. You see, if you want to, and I told, they want to government lock them. But we'll get a powerful hand up there where they get the money and they get the sense. And they beg in the name of God, Papa God. The coronavirus, me touch all the power them, all the minister them for Africa with the thief money. The Nigeria minister, Cameroon minister, Malian minister, then Niger, Chad, all them. Me touch other minister, other president. If you get waste me interview that picking them, me all they go for line. Because you don't get sold the wicked. But God, I beg you in the name of God. Any prayer can I pray, I don't know what I don't know, but I don't tell you this, I beg in the name of God, Papa God. Touch me, these people. Especially my president Paul Biya, me go, me never come in, me never come again, like me to go now go. Right, I pick I did them on for years. I get people that where they go now hold. It be YP. When weekend you go stand for America. You pay taxi for go school, $500. Come back $500. And you go school 4 times for 1 week. Now I'm watching for 1 month. So family will come on, you never get 100 for chop. Me pay taxi, pay limousine, $500 on a year, $500 for go school. Come back $500. I'm not $4,000 for 1 week. Pay the go school 4 times for 1 week. 1 month, how much? I spend $16,000 for 1 month. And then we go school, go and come. The day where the driver make you vex. You talk saying, parce que moi, je suis l'enfant de personne. Y'a mamie, go pour une chou. I'm not going to have me who your pa, who your mommy, who you, even their brother, where they say, and they want to dream some, because even that could they will try to one be that person for that country. After a pa, and she don't start talk. Come on, go down say, oh man, go before kick all man. We don't see the other team. We don't bring Amine of Cameroon. We don't bring fresh Amine, no. They take Cameroon. We know. They will be your own. Yes. Me God move on a line. I dey fall for the minister the way they take the money. Me all the line. Me Papa go use the coronavirus. You beg Papa go in the name of God. The COVID-19. Me Papa use the platform for COVID-19. Kill me all the people. Kill me Pobia. Kill woman. Kill Pikin. Kill all man. Why be generation all? Wipe all the minister them. Go for Nigeria, wipe all team. Ghana, wipe all team. Go for each country of Africa. Kill all man, all the minister, the president, all man they work for government. Any man they teach, so why the man they teach money? Me kill the man. Me the man die. Papa go beg you in the name of God. If you need damn beg you, Papa God, I beg in the name of God. Destroy many people. The coronavirus hold all them. Me hold it for line. All that people that grand people, all them me go. Because you know his soul. Especially my president, don't destroy many soul. How many soul don't die for Cameroon? The day 2019. From 2016 to 2020. I mean, okay, how many people? We already lost about 15,000 people. For English side. For English Cameroon. When I tell you, they tell me again. And that English Cameroon, England become nicer. If we go to French Cameroon. France is Siam. England is Siam. UN is Siam. Since 2016, 2020. How many years today? So I thought the ship. Got the vex. Even the president of Cameroon, you say, Papa go give me, he give me, but see, I don't finish, lost and remain every get time. I fit one. He put my phone. Say to finish with you, me, I know kill me. People are going to give me, take him. I know you take and kill him. Me, I will finish remain every get a figure. When man a devil. Kill my little belly. Bury my little belly alive with his family. Or someone who. The president was that man on top stick the video. Say I'm in the carry the woman with your belly. It's picking there with the massa. Dig over man from English side. Put inside, bury alive. Man on top stick the video. The lost video, me no man not see. That man don't kiss for them. Moto pikin slow on top of it, mommy, shoot them to kill. Small pikin don't know nothing. And the one happen for north side, shoot the woman with pikin for back. The one thought this is not charging him. When I come, what I mean? Who said I mean they neither for you when they turn on? They get picking. Where the one I would make big day, when I make a big deal. You want me big day. I need invest my whiskey though. Whiskey I respect you plenty. You my big boy, I respect you. I respect you plenty, boy. Big man for favorite. I say big boy because you get the money. Yeah, I respect you plenty for that one. But do I go for talk? You want to do big day, invite whiskey. With years they should give 75 million. Give this one, private jet, military and come. They can make big day for 3 people or 4 people. And they tell you back. So mommy they will come, we don't get 200, don't get 100 for boiled rice, for cooked rice. It is so far. It is so far. What kind of life is? Go one musician. Give 75 million. As I hear, because whiskey if you can't come home, I have a presidency, you know, give Peter money. Even at 10 million, you know, not small money. If you get 10 million, you share for more than 30 families, they poor, over more than 50 families, they poor. You know, I help them. You go one man give for you. Even at 75 million, even at 5 million, small. It's small. You go all give, can't give one person. And they tell me I be happy. I don't tell you, say, I don't beg Papa God. I don't need them for you. I don't beg you. I don't cry for you. Me, all my mentor, my pastor, they forgive me. But they talk inside my heart because you don't hurt me. People don't die. That's what they keep people for north side of Nigeria. Don't go around them. The army want talk, they move for work. The general want talk, they movie. Say gone day, the movie. That mean it be the worry be happy. As they keep people. As a Muslim man, he be happy as they keep people. See people they burn for alive, cry for cocoa people. They don't be a shrine, don't be a pig, they don't be a cow. They cocoa them. And we are poor. I mean, they want to you talk, you move them, you send to prison. They are picking America. They are picking they Europe. They go school. They forget when no say you go sit down. I dey beg God say, me Papa go help me. I dey beg in the name of God. Yes. I don't say all the president. They want the way you know say they thief money for Africa. Where they thief money for African country. Where they thief money for African government. For the whole African president, the minister, all the rest of them. Papa God, I beg. Use the platform, use the opportunity. Use the opportunity so. Use the opportunity now, so for now, all they get us sick. I cannot have virus. Me they carry them all. Me die a woman, a pikin, a got me all man, me what all the generation you know exist again. People don't die plenty in see. And the one way them good with the native money, we don't owe. Go no one old man again. Me they who give them, sorry them, they who they come out. Young man take power. And I begin to about Aboazan, the one who will give the trust and say that if he can't take power tomorrow, we come over against Samuel because Samuel to gain Boma Patrick, we gain Jeremy Tab, we get plenty. Big people if we take that power of Popia, if you rule that country. As they say, they don't come to if you rule that country, we Cameroon. But they fear government. Okay. Nigeria too. Get people them. Get John Jazzy. Get Gigi Okocha. Get Kanu. Get plenty for Nigeria. If peace square them. When I 30 something years, 30 something, 35 go over. And then from 35 and 55, they be rule Africa. We no get problem. Me na young people they be for the power, and a young people they be for the government. Me na young people they be for the minister. All the thing. Na young people. Me all the old people they move them. The general they all they put young people. They move all the old people. Why you don't? Money general money be 80 years, 90 years of power.